26 below. Let me refresh it just to make sure. There it is. 26 below. So, and it's supposed to get colder. It's about as cold as it's going to get tonight, and I think tomorrow it's going to get up to 18 below. And yeah, so it's supposed to get like almost 40 below. But I'm going to go out. I got to start these cars because I don't want them to sit there and freaking not start. So let's look at it outside. It's pretty dark, so I was thinking of just showing a video. Let's see. Shut the door. Whoa. Doesn't seem so bad. Of course, it never seems so bad at first that it gets cold when you're out here for more than a second. It ain't so bad. Oh, it's a little dark. A little dark out here. But yeah, I just gotta fire these puppies up. The car here, I don't trust the battery in the car so much. So we'll fire this puppy up first. Now these were just running a few hours ago. Listen to it. That baby barely started. Let me see, I got, well, just about 3/4. I might leave this car run. I'll just turn the, holy smokes. It is cold. Let me see here. I'm gonna turn the heater down a little. I don't need it to be that one. Let's see how the pickup starts now. This is the one that's like crazy. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. She's not starting. Oh gosh. Yeah. Might leave that thing running too. Just come out and check the gas in these. Holy smokes. Those started hard. I'm worried about the battery in the car. Because that's oh my goodness. Whew, cold. Woo, come on, door. Door won't even close, it's so cold. Okay. So, but the pickup, those things were just running about 6 hours ago. So, wow. 26 below. And that pickup still started. And the starter likes to go weird. So that either needs to be shammed or something's getting worn. And then the car battery's a little low. That starts turning over slow. So I don't know. I might have to just leave them running and then just turn them off a little bit just to give them a break. I'm gonna leave them running and just deal with it. And I'll just take them in the morning and put gas. I know it's not the best to run stuff like that, but hey, in Siberia they do it right. So here's to Siberia. Peace, buddies.